Hello everyone, I am Advocate Akhil Solanki, Associate with Lexis and Company. So in this video we are going to discuss about doctrine of priority in property law. So the determination of the relative rights and priorities of successive assignees of the same or overlapping right has been a serious problem of the courts. So when there are two or more competing equitable interests, the equitable maxim qui prior est tempore which defines as he who is earlier in time stronger in law applies. This means that the first time in time prevails over the others. Section 48 of the Transfer of Property Act embodies this principle in the legislation. So the section is founded upon the important principle that no man can convey a title than what he has. So the article looks into the law applicable in case of conflicting rights created over the same property. It bases exceptions with judicial preparation and its applications in modern time. So the basis of the principle is that it is a principle of natural justice that if rights are created in favor of two persons at the different times, the one who has the advantage in time should also have the advantage in law. This rule, however, applies only to cases where the conflicting equities are otherwise equal. Therefore, the question of priority has therefore to be determined only with reference to the principle embodied in Section 48 of the Transfer of Property Act. Section 48 incorporates an important principle that no man can convey a title better than he himself possessed. So if a person has effected a transfer of property, he cannot thereafter deal with the same property ignoring the rights already created by the earlier transfer effected by him. So thank you. See you in next video with some more information.